welcome back to the emngee channel. I'm Monday, and in today's video, I'm going to be making a Tef veggie burger. So before we get into the video, I want you guys to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below. So let's get into the recipe.
What we do here is go back.
Alright, so for the Tef veggie burgers, the ingredients you're going to be needing is mushrooms, a green bell pepper, onion, Tef grain. You're also going to be needing some garbanzo bean flour or chickpea flour. The seasonings you're going to need is salt, onion powder, basil, oregano, cayenne pepper, and some dill. So let's put this together. Alright guys, so after you chop all your vegetables, you're just going to cook everything so you're able to assemble your burgers. So the first thing I'm going to do, I have a pot of boiling water here and I have a cup of Tef grain. So I'm just going to add that to the water and I'm just going to cook this like rice, pretty much. So it's just going to take a few minutes to boil and then I'm just going to cover it and then it'll cook itself in about 15 minutes or so. So while that's cooking, I'm also going to cook the vegetables. So I do have 1/4 cup of green bell peppers, mushrooms, and onions. So I'm just going to cook that in the pan until they are soft. Alright, so after your Tef is boiled and done, this is how it's going to look like. This is 1 cup of Tef grain. It kind of looks like sand. And then this is the cooked veggies. This is all the spices I mentioned earlier in the video. It's literally 1 teaspoon of each. And this is 1 cup of chickpea flour or garbanzo bean flour. So you're pretty much just going to put everything together in a bowl. I'm gonna add a little half at a time in case it's too dry. Alright, so after you incorporate everything, this is how it should look like. So after you mix everything, you're just going to form these into patties. They stick together really well. As you can see, it doesn't fall apart, which is amazing for veggie burgers. So you can make them as big or small as you want and just place them on a parchment paper and cook. Then you just cook them on a skillet or a grill for like 3 to 5 minutes on each side. Alright guys, so you're just gonna cook these in the skillet for about 5 minutes on each side. I did put these in the fridge before, so it might take a little bit more, but just flip them after like 5 minutes, golden brown, and you should be all set. Alright guys, so the burgers are done. I did put cheese on it, but I didn't film that. But we're just gonna assemble these. If you have not seen the burger bun video, go ahead and watch that up here. So let's just assemble these. So we're gonna get our nice sesame seed bun. I do have a nice burger sauce for you. If we do get 50 likes on this video or more, I will release that secret recipe video. Anywho, so we're just gonna start off with the secret sauce. Lettuce, put some nice fresh lettuce on here, some tomato, a nice cheesy Tef burger patty. Alright, we're gonna put some more sauce. You gotta have it saucy. If you don't got it saucy, I don't know what you're doing. Alright, we got the avocado. Let me know if you like avocado on your burger. Yay or nay. I got some fried onions here, you know, being a little fancy. And I'm about to top it off with another saucy bun on the top. Dang. Have y'all ever seen a veggie burger that looks so darn delicious? I think not. Okay. Alright guys, so this is how the burgers look like. Look at these. These look absolutely amazing, honestly. I definitely have to try one of these. These are massive, so big. I'm sure you guys saw by the thumbnail. I'm about to try to cut this. Wish me luck trying to cut this. Ooh. I got that good sharp serrated knife. Okay, dang, word, okay, I'm about to try this. I'm about to let y'all know how it is, okay?
Is it bussin'?
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Do like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below what you think of these veggie tef burgers. Alright, see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Alright, we're live.
Alright guys, so you're just gonna cook these.
More authority, babe. Just a little bit louder.
Alright guys, you're just gonna cook these with authority.
Yeah.
Oh jeez.
Hold on. Say, have you ever seen a, you know, the kid? Go.
Have y'all ever seen a veggie burger that looks so darn delicious? I think not. Okay.